Jacob Saunders, EVP of Professional Services at Atmosera, says, if you're interested in moving to Azure, you'll be happy to know that it's designed to make the process simple. That's why today, we'll walk you through an effective 8-step strategy to make this transition smooth and efficient. Step 1. First, evaluate your current AWS infrastructure to understand the applications, data, and services you use. Then, consider what you want to continue and what new capabilities you want Azure to support. Step 2. Identify which services you'll use by matching your current AWS services with Azure equivalents or by choosing better Azure features. Step 3. You might need to re-architect some resources to fit the Azure platform. Azure can assist with serverless computing, platform as a service, resource right-sizing, and containerization. Step 4. Outline your migration approach, which can include common strategies like lift and shift or re-platforming. Step 5. Test your migration strategy in a controlled environment to address potential issues before they affect production. Step 6. Migrate your data using tools like Azure Site Recovery, the Azure Migrate tool, or Azure Database Migration Service to transfer data and deploy applications with minimal downtime. Step 7. Train your team with the skills they need to manage Azure. And Step 8. Continuously monitor and manage your Azure resources. Use Azure's monitoring tools to ensure your applications perform as expected. If you're ready to move from AWS to Azure, consider working with Azure migration consultants. Experts, like those at Atmosera, can guide you through the planning, migration, and post-launch phases.